SEF is actually a holding company, of which there's a handful of companies under Dining Wellhead, OSO, and Applied Manufacturing. So SEF is really in the oil field equipment space.
Our mission really is to be a manufacturing focused company. That's we manufacture and then technology driven. So we are investing heavily into technology.
SEF uses SAP Business ByDesign because it is the best fit for us and the size of space that we're in. Being a mid-size enterprise, it really fits our needs in terms of flexibility, as well as a single place to transact our business through. We've seen a number of benefits from it, across accounting, manufacturing spaces, and including within our own technology space as well. One of our overarching visions or objectives is to really build a digital ecosystem. And SAP ByDesign is at the center of that digital ecosystem. It's the heart of the business that transacts for us. We've built a number of other what I'll call pieces to that puzzle.